A quick note before you watch this video, because I have published it once before on one of our other channels, see my comments at the very end and see this will be the next appliance after the one you're about to look at. Have a look at this. Hello there, I've got something very interesting to show you today. I brought this all the way from Hong Kong. This is a plasma hob, or a plasma cooking ring, or a plasma stove, whatever you want to call it. It's a cooking ring and it runs off electricity, but it behaves like gas. These are all the rage at the moment in China, and I've never seen one here. So I decided to bring one back and have a look at it. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a closer look at it. I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'm going to try boiling a pint of water on it and compare it to how long it takes to boil a pint of water on an induction hob. And then we'll have an idea if this is any hotter or better than other conventional electricity rings, cooking rings. So let's have a closer look. So this is it. There's quite a few different versions available. But you see it has these little jets here that look like they might be gas, but they're actually electric, and flames come out of them, as you'll see in a moment. So we brought this, obviously we've put a British plug on it. It comes with this great big, I don't really know what you call that, a converter or an inverter. And out of that comes a very fat cable that goes into the unit. Now apparently these can be set into a worktop, but they've also got legs on them, so they're freestanding. So this particular one is a Starfire. I don't know what PICC is. I assume Starfire is the brand, PICC is the model. It might be the other way around, I don't know. There's lots of different ones of these. These are really getting quite popular in China. So let's fire it up. So these are basically just plug and play. Makes a strange noise when you fire it up. So isn't that an unusual thing? I've not seen one of these before. So let's see how it goes. I'm just going to stick a pint of water on it. I'm not going to make you wait for it. You'll have to believe me how long it takes. So I'm going to just turn it on, fire it up, and we'll see how long it takes to boil. So that took exactly 2.5 minutes to boil a pint of water. I'm going to boil a pint of water on the induction hob now. See how long that takes. So the same pan with a pint of water on the induction hob took 3 minutes and 45. So this is hotter and this is faster. I actually brought this in to try, when I do Chinese cooking, I wanted something hotter that's not gas, that I can use a wok on, because the induction hob is a little bit slow and not quite hot enough for Chinese cooking. So I'm quite hopeful that it's going to be pretty good for that. But this is the first one of these I've seen. It's possibly the first one of these that you've seen, but these may or may not become a thing here. And if they're popular, we may start actually bringing them in. What do you think? I'd be very interested to know your thoughts about it in the comments down below. And if you haven't done already, please like the video and subscribe. So this is a quick note at the just for the end of this video. I first published the video about the electric hob on another one of our channels that covers more electronics and appliances. And lots of people came along into the comments saying, oh, it's fake, it's not real, that's a gas pipe, and this and that. I can tell you it absolutely is real. It is not a gas pipe. What you can see, it's a thick electrical cable. Electric cable goes from the sockets to the inverter or converter, and then it goes into the product itself. So yes, it's not fake, it's not gas either. What you saw, it is absolutely electric. Do you know, because we have an office in Hong Kong and I go into China a lot, we do tend to see sort of what is at the cutting edge of appliances. And the next one you're going to see on the next video is this one here, which is a kind of a stir fry machine, which turns on its own. So hopefully by now, down the bottom end of the screen here, will have popped up the video for this. So if you're interested in new and forthcoming appliances, then you can have a look at that as well. Thank you for watching. Check out other videos and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you.